Yo, 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 what's going on, good people? It's your homie Herbman coming back at you with another hot banger boogie. I want to first start out by letting you know, man, first of all, coming from my mouth to your ears, herbs do work, okay? No matter what anyone says, herbs supersede pills and any man-made drugs out here on the market today. And the reason why is because God made these things for us, people. All right. So what we do here at Leaf of Violet Essentials is we go out and we do the research and we go out and get the best herbs possible, okay, on the planet Earth. All right, and that's one of the reasons why we have some of the best quality herbs on the market. And you can go to leafofvioletessentials.com and get everything that we have for you available. All of our herbs also come with a reusable cotton bag, and we have some of the best. Again, I repeat, the best herbs on the market. All you got to do is just wash this tea bag out and continue to use it for your medicinal needs. All right. And we also too have the best detox on the market. If you're looking at bringing some homeostasis back into your system, if you're looking at detoxifying your system, if you're looking at trying to clean your system out, weight loss, all these different things. The Love Detox will do that. All right, it's packed with about 6 or 7 herbs in it, and it will do the job. Now, this is designed to do 21 days, but if you don't want to do 21 days, you can do 3 days, you can do 7 days, you can do 14 days, but you want to do some detoxifying days with this. It has organic nettles, dandelion root, ginger root, cascada sagrada. It's got black walnut leaf, linden leaf, and it also has burdock root powder in it. All right, so this is the best thing on the market if you're looking to detoxify your system. Also too, this is our pain away tea. All right, now this is going to be very good for muscle pains and arthritic pains if you're dealing with all that type of stuff. Again, everything comes with the cotton bag in there, reusable cotton bag. And as you can see, that's our little mix there that we have. This has turmeric in it. It's got frankincense resin. It has ginger again, white willow bark, cinnamon bark, and feverfew leaf. All right, so if you're dealing with any kind of muscle pains or arthritic pains, this is going to be the go-to guy right here. All right, now we also too have hawthorn berries. All right, everything that you see we got on our website at leafofvioletessentials.com. These are the best herbs on the market that you can get because, like I said again, it's all about research. You got to research in order to know where to get your fresh stuff from. All right, so this is hawthorn and it's very good for the heart. Okay, if you're dealing with any type of arterial sclerosis or any kind of heart problems, you want to try to get you some hawthorn berries. And as you can see, all of our herbs and stuff are in containers that do not allow a lot of UV and a lot of light in. All right, and if you don't get a lot of light in, then you keep the potency in. Okay, because what happens is the UV rays and all that stuff will dry out your herbs and it would take out some of the medicinal potency in the herbs. Now this is juniper berry here. All right, juniper berry is going to be very good for the kidneys. Okay, so if you need some of that, we got some of that. This is your bilberry leaf right here. Again, I just want to show you guys how we store our herbs and the freshness that is sealed in to make sure that you're getting the potency that you need for your situation. Bilberry is good for diabetics. It'll be good for your pancreas, okay? Now we also carry ginsengs as well. And this is one of our most popular ginseng, which is the ashwagandha root, okay? Ashwagandha is gonna be very good for energy, and it also is gonna be very good for dealing with stress, okay? These are what we call the adaptogens, and all they do is adapt to our body and make sure that we are getting, it doesn't really change anything inside your body, but what it does is it brings some homeostasis. It adapts to where you are, and it just tries to bring balance back into your life. And again, eleuthero root does the same thing. As you can see, that's fresh root right there. And this is pretty much good for performance. I'll recommend you guys, if you're going to stressful jobs and you need that energy to make it through the day, then you want to do your eleuthero root morning and noon, okay? I wouldn't recommend doing both of those ginsengs at night because, again, they will give you some type of energy. You may want to be trying to go to sleep, all right? Now, if you're just dealing with rheumatism and arthritic pain, okay, not muscle pains, but your bones are just messing up, osteoporosis, rheumatism, all these different things, devil's claw. Devil's claw root is going to be your go-to for that. Again, we keep all our stuff in dark containers to make sure that the freshness and the potency is there. Now, the reason why I'm highlighting this is because this is the research that has to be done in herbs. A lot of times when we go into our local health food stores, they got the herbs, but they also got them in clear containers. Well, when you cut on that store light for 12, 14 hours a day, what you're doing is you're taking the potency out of the herbs, okay? And this is the type of stuff, a reason why I'm doing the video, for you guys to understand that we're just not giving out herbs over here, but we know how to grow them, we know how to store them, and we also know how to research them to make sure that we get the best sources around the world for these particular things. Now, we don't only just do that. Also, too, if you look over here, we also, too, do acupressure. Now, I'm not the great masseuse here, but what we do is we understand the body, and we understand that the feet and the hands, all right, are the gateways to inside of your body. All right. And if you can do some acupressure and know the points in your feet, know the points in your hands, then that's when you're able to bring about some medicinal value in this particular practice. OK, so if you're in the Atlanta area and you need some acupressure and you need to clean yourself out and have somebody to kind of unclog your meridians, this is the place for you. LeafOfVitaEssentials.com, or you can get us on LeafOfVitaEssentials@gmail.com and set up an appointment. All right. And again, we have one of the best things here, which is our bioresonance scan. Okay, this is a non-intrusive body scan. We don't need no blood, we don't need no pee, we don't need no feces, we don't need no spit, no saliva. All we need for you to do is lay down on the bed and allow the bioresonance to resonate with the frequencies in your body. That is basically what it's designed to do. All of our organs are tuned to a vibration, they have a frequency, even though you can't hear it. And so what this does is it picks up on those tunes, on those frequencies. So if you're dealing with a low frequency here, if you can see the screen, if you're dealing with a low frequency in your body, it'll let us know. And basically that's dictated by the dark colors right here. So right in this area. Now what you're looking at is the pancreas, the duodenal zone right here. All right. And pretty much here, when you see this here, that means that there may be a little problem area there. And all we do is we give this thing some frequency therapy, which is what you see here. All right. We give it some frequency therapy, and without the headphones on, it won't do it. Just to let you know that this is one of the best products that we have. Sometimes when you get these particular bioresonance thing, it'll just do it on anything, but not this. We've done the research. We put the investment in the best equipment to be able to do this particular body scan. So again, if you're in the Atlanta area and you're looking for a non-intrusive way to know from the head to the toe what's going on, what do I need to do, what kind of therapy, what kind of phytotherapy, which is plant therapy, what kind of drugs, we even can scan your drugs. So if you have medication from the doctor, we can put it onto the bioresonance machine and it'll let us know if that medicine is actually doing you any good or any harm. Okay. It also too will let you know about your food allergies. If you have food allergies, when we do the scan, it'll let you know what foods to stay away from based on what your scan results are. And we can do all of this without taking blood, hair samples, spit, all those types of things. Okay, this is the new way, the new technology. So at Leaf of Vitae Essentials, not only are we going old school with the herbs, not only are we going old school with the microgreens and growing your own herbs, but we also too are crossing over and cross-sectioning it with ancient old technology that we can utilize. This is not new. Russians and everybody has been using this particular equipment for years. Okay, so that's some of the stuff that we have here at Leaf of Vitae Essentials. If you're interested, please look us up on Facebook, look us up on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, anywhere that you need for your healing. All right, I'm your homie. I love you, and there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. And until next time, peace.